It finally happened. We are officially in the power era of AI coding. If you thought the last update was big, you haven't seen anything yet. The internet is absolutely flooding with reactions right now. People aren't just impressed, they are terrified. We are seeing reasoning capabilities that make GPT 5.2 look like a junior intern. What you are seeing on screen isn't hype, it is the new baseline for software development in 2026. Anthropic just dropped Claude Opus 4.6, and the benchmarks are ridiculous. Look at this chart. In knowledge work and agentic coding, it is crushing the competition. It's not just about speed anymore, it's about depth. They've introduced computer use natively into the workflow, meaning Claude doesn't just write code, it can navigate your file system, run terminal commands, and debug its own errors in real time. This is the highest score on the terminal bench we have ever seen. Scroll down to the features. This is what matters. Adaptive thinking mode. Unlike older models that just blurt out an answer, Opus 4.6 dynamically allocates time to think before it executes. It simulates the outcome of the code in its head before writing it to your file. Plus, the new Compaction API means it remembers massive context windows without getting expensive or slow. It effectively has infinite memory for your project. Let's put it to work. I'm dropping it into a messy folder, the Olympic launch P and L. Watch this. I don't have to explain the file structure. I just say, help, supply chain numbers don't match. It instantly reads the PDFs, the Excels, and the emails. It cross-references the supplier commitments against the forecast. It found the variance, a 22% unit gap caused by a PEB foam shortage, in seconds. A human analyst would take 3 days to find that. But it doesn't just read, it builds. I asked it to model the P and L impact. Look at the spreadsheet. It's building the columns, the formulas, and the assumptions. I tell it, what if volume drops further? Show me a 30% downside. It doesn't complain. It creates a new scenario column, updates the conditional formatting, and recalculates the operating income. This is a fully functional CFO ready financial model generated from natural language. And because executives don't read spreadsheets, I told it to make a deck. Boom! It generates the .pptx file with executive summaries, charts from the Excel data, and speaker notes. It's done. For the developers watching, the API documentation just got a massive overhaul. You can now access the effort parameter directly. This allows you to tell Claude, hey, spend 50% more compute on this specific hard problem. It's like giving your AI employee a double shot of espresso on command. The control you have over the token output is unprecedented. Now, for the fun stuff. I wanted to test the front-end capabilities. I prompted, build an Apple Watch face designer with complications, weather, and smooth animations. Watch the terminal. It's not just writing one file, it's setting up the Vite environment, installing the dependencies, creating the components, and linking the CSS. It creates the project structure perfectly on the first try. I got bored, so I said, build me a Frogger clone. Again, zero hesitation. It understands the game logic, the collision detection, the movement speed. It just writes it. The community is validating this across the board. Every major dev on X is showing off what they built in under 10 minutes. This isn't just a chatbot update, this is an operating system update for the entire world. If you aren't using Opus 4.6 for your daily workflow, you are voluntarily choosing to work in slow motion. Here is the actual watch face app running on localhost. Look at the UI. I can toggle between classic and California styles. I can change the accent color to neon orange. I can swap the complications, put the heart rate on the left, weather on the right. The animations are buttery smooth. There is no lag. It wrote the React state management perfectly to handle these updates in real time. And here is Frogger. I'm playing this with my keyboard. The hitboxes are accurate. The cars speed up as the levels progress. The floating logs actually carry the frog. Remember, I wrote 0 lines of code for this. I just asked for it. This brings software creation to the masses in a way we've never seen before. Now, you need to know how to harness this. Head over to Mike's AI Forge School, which is in the description. Click the link below. I have updated the workflow vault with the exact prompts I use to build these apps. I also just dropped a brand new guide on how to win with Google's new AI search using these tools. If you want the source code for the Watch Face app, it's available for free download right now on the site. Finally, the big news. I am opening the doors to the AI Profit Forge on School. This is where we take these tools and turn them into businesses. We are building agents, selling workflows, and dominating the market. Listen to me. The first 100 people to sign up get lifetime VIP access. We are already filling up fast. If you want to be a founding member and get direct access to me and the blueprints, click the link in the description right now. I'll see you inside the Forge.